So, hey y'all, this is making slime. We're gonna make some slime. We got all our contact solution, glue, more glue and shading foam. So we're gonna make us some slime. So first thing you need is some glue. Give me the glue.
Glue time. Why are you adding the glue to the other one?
You will need some more glue.
You adding it to the slime?
Yep.
Oh, shoot.
This glue smells really nasty. And now you'll need.
No, we have to do that on my honey
Sorry.
birthday.
Now you'll need some
It's my honey.
shaving cream.
It's my honey birthday, y'all. Yes, but we have to go to sleep. Yeah, it's already my honey birthday. Already. Yeah.
Yeah, so some shaving cream.
Mom wants to subscribe. For the birthday, right, Mom?
Yeah.
And I'm washing Lily hair also.
And now
Lily, you okay?
Now you'll want to mix it up. You want to mix it up?
Cute. Hold on. I made
Mix
it.
it.
So cute. Look at that. My honey getting hot early.
But now you need the most good part thing, which is the contact solution.
My honey.
Charlie, come put this contact solution in here,
What protection?
right there, up there in the bed.
Okay.
In here, right here. And now you're gonna put some contact solution in there. Hurry up.
Okay.
See, my hands are a mess.
Okay, Lily. What's the white one?
Contact solution. This is so much fun, making slime and stuff like that. Contact solution. More
Now
slime.
you can't do the contact solution.
Open it, please. Hurry up.
Open it with your mouth.
Hurry up. Come on. So now you will need some contact solution. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. So now that is it. So now you're just gonna make it like that. Can you hold this camera? Hurry up.
I will.
There. Do it like that. One thing. Now, by making it like this, that you'll need so much slime. But it can get off your hands easily. So now by making slime, you need this.
How do you use gun? Birthday girl.
Put the camera on me. So now this is how you make slime. We have to add some more like shaving foam, something like that.